Hi, good morning, South Africa. I'm naturally intelligent. Prince Mashele is jealousy. Who is he? What he has done for the nation? What has he done for the people? He is quick to criticize Penny, but failed to criticize the cruel apartheid regime. This coward was silenced, quiet under the apartheid. The apartheid governments committed massacre, killed black people. Prince Mashele was there, and this coward was quiet. This Mashele must first criticize white politicians before criticize Penny. Penny is not responsibility for South African mess. African warriors, leaders, nation builders, kings and chiefs did not go to school to rule the people, but God gave them natural intelligence. King Shaka, Mushweshwe, Gungunyani, Makado, and many others. Penny has royal blood. The leadership, Barangeli, Ruel Khoza, Ivan Khoza, Thabo Mbeki, Mike Nkuna, Nxamalala Jacob Zuma, Koskazan Zuma, Nyiko Shivambu, Joe Matebula, Professor Nyiko Maluleke, Tatani Gaveni Mkari, Dabezita Mitwa, and many more leaders, traditional leaders. They never gone to school, but they was leading this country in manner without education. The naturally power is from God, not from the school. Yes, school is good for the children. Our children now, they must go to school. But now they are lucky because we as a parents, we can take them to school. In the days of the apartheid, we never have a support from our parents to take us to school because of apartheid. This Prince Mashele, he's a spy for the Stellenbosch to destroy our party as MK. Because last you said, Comrade President Jacob Zuma is going to die. Everything was lying because he's doing this because they hire him to do that, to destroy a black power. As himself is a black son, a young idiot. I rise this to South African people. I take the language of Batsonga, Machangani in the world. I'm an artist, I'm a singer. I promoted them day and night. Himself and his pirates, they were dancing my music day and night. I've been to government, now it's 15 years, without education, but natural power. But today, because working for the Stellenbosch Mafia to destroy a people and leadership in South Africa, this Prince Mashele. He never been educated. He received his certificate, not for educated. Because the people who went to school and get educated, they're not talking like him. They're not talking like him. That is why the Pretoria University, they never award him as a doctor. He's still Prince Mashele, not Dr. Prince Mashele. Because he's a idiot. He's a Judas Iscariot who go around make his money for killing his own people. I wonder his family are safe under his hands. Under his fake education, I wonder. He might sell himself and his children. If he's got children, they must be careful because it's too dangerous in South Africa. His journalist thinks, analyst thinks, it's all the fake. People of South Africa don't believe in this idiot boy called Prince Mashele. I don't think even this surname is for him. He's faking the surname. He might make a mistake to call him Mashele. The people of Mashele that don't speak like him, this boy, he lost the code of human being. This boy is a Judas Iscariot, is a spy fighting against his own nation. Hi Xitsonga xa ka hina hi Xichangani hi ri ximita ntsengele xi tshembe nkolo. Xi tshembe nkolo yi ta ku ntlimba ntsengele. Be careful, ngwana. Boy, be careful what are you doing. You are not a politician. You are just a pimp and destroyer. Umunhu loyi a destroyer ku tiko ra South Africa. Africa Dzonga ra fa hi mhaka ya wena. Loko u teka timali ta valungu wa wena u famba u lava ku lwa na vanhu. Now is the end of your road. Boy, they are buying you ticket flying from Joburg to Cape Town to come and receive a dirty money to destroy your own people. Judas Iscariot. Judas Iscariot sell out.